हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल माइंड पोर्टल। आज के इस क्यूज वीडियो में हम मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स के कुछ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे जो आपके अपकमिंग CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम से रिलेटेड है। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Which marketing channel makes the products available to end users without intermediaries? Option 1, indirect channel. Option 2, direct channel. Option 3, dynamic channel. And option 4, flexible channel. And the correct answer is option 2, direct channel. One company adjusts its marketing budget by absorbing another company's budget. This process is called option 1, objective and task method, option 2, competitor analysis, option 3, competitive parity method, and option 4, affordable budget allocation. And the correct answer is option 3, competitive parity method. At which stage of the product cycle is the profit typically negative? Option 1, decline stage. Option 2, introduction stage. Option 3, maturity stage. And option 4, growth stage. And the correct answer is option 4, growth stage. Which of the following facts defines the break-even point? Option 1, total revenue is less than total cost. Option 2, total revenue is the same as the total cost. Option 3, total profit is more than the total cost. And option 4, the total cost is less than the total cost. And the correct answer is option 2, total revenue is the same as the total cost. The expenses paid to workers for overtime are considered as option 1, fixed cost, option 2, variable cost, option 3, dependent cost, and option 4, total cost. And the correct answer is option 2, variable cost. During the societal marketing period, what was firm's main concern for marketing? Option 1, producing high quality products. Option 2, social and ethical concern in marketing. Option 3, achieving sales target. And option 4, understanding consumer insights. And the correct answer is option 2, social and ethical concern in marketing. This is achieved when customer expectations are met regarding the quality of products and service along with the value-based price. Option 1, quality excellence. Option 2, customer satisfaction. Option 4, value proposition. And option 4, none of the above. And the correct answer is option 2, customer satisfaction. Dividing the market into homogeneous group is called option 1, segmentation, option 2, classification, option 3, analysis, and option 4, grouping. And the correct answer is option 1, segmentation. Good marketing is a result of careful planning and dash. Option 1, research, option 2, sales, option 3, execution, option 4, strategies. And the correct answer is option 3, execution. Logistics management is mainly concerned about option 1, promotion, option 2, production, option 3, supply chain management, and option 4, sales. And the correct answer is option 3, supply chain management. माइंड पोर्टल ऐप पे CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम के लिए टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अवेलेबल है। टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए हैं। लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप टेस्ट सीरीज और क्लासेस परचेस कर सकते हैं। माइंड पोर्टल के एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करने के लिए नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे मैसेज करें। इस तरह के और क्यूज वीडियो के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।